Hi everyone, welcome to Ohun Ede Yoruba TV.
Now let's see. You call it the way we call me do re, mi do re, me. You call it out like that. If you can remember that this one is consonants, while this one is also vowel. Consonanti, Faweli. Now, mi, pa, mi, pa. What is that pa? Maybe you kill something. Pa, me, you now put the sign. Me is not like one. Now, this is do. Do. The sounds will go down. Do. Pa. As if that you are making some sounds. Pa. Do. You put it like this. Do. Pa. And this one is re without any sounds. Re. Pa. If you kill something, pa. Re. Pa. Re. Pa. Re. Pa. You can see that have different meaning now. Now this one is je. Me, you call it as if that's like that sounds. Me, je, me, je, me, je, me, je, me, je, me, je. You can remember that after I said that a, e, I, o, u. A, e, I, o, u. So you see, making reference to all this when we are teaching it. Now, I'll say that this is a, you call it like letter A. E, I, o, u. So this one now is me, je, me. Now this is do, je, as if that an animal is moving around. They said maybe you went to go and eat je, do, re, eat. You are eating something. Je. Now look at this one. Me, say. You know, the other time we said that in alphabet we have C, we have she, we have C. We call this one like C, like letter C. And this one, she. I've told you, church, CH. When you get your dictionary, you can see it, CH. Now, me, say, do, say, re, say. You can see that we have different words, different sounds. I've told you when I said ba, be, bi, bo, boo. Last time, ba, be, bi, bo, boo. Sa, se, si. There are some that has no meaning in Yoruba, except the local language. when we are saying about the village language, the home language. Say, mi, do. Say, ele o need the àmì, doesn't need any sign. I've told you. So this one is also me. You first call that sound. That sound. Me, as if that you are pushing something out of your heart. Me, come, you are learning something. You are teaching something. Come, fẹ́ kọ́ yàn nìkan, you want to teach somebody. So, do, ko, we reject something. Ko, that is you refuse. Ko, do, ko, re, ko, you are writing something. Ko, re, ko, re, ko, re, ko, re. Now, so these are the if you are talking about one syllable, that is one syllable. We will now go for two syllable now. This one are one syllable. Je, mu, to, re. Bu, bu. You understand? Cut. Bu, maybe you are boosting somebody. So you will now match it with that sound. That sound. So we are going for two sounds now. I've told you that syllable ni ege ọ̀rọ̀, that is what you can call once. So we are going for the one you can call twice now. Now, two syllable. Now, two, that is Oro Onisilebu Meji. Lábẹ́ àmì ohùn. That is two syllable under the signs.